Hi, my name is Ajay and I have achieved a total score of 87 out of 90 in PT academic, and my scores are as follows. In listening I got 85, in speaking I got 87, and in reading and writing I achieved a perfect score of 90. I was able to get this score due to the tips and tricks provided by trainers of PT tutorials. But previously I thought that it would be easy for me to get the desired score. I had in fact attempted PT twice without the coaching, and I was stuck at the score of 77 only. But then I decided to take training from PT tutorials, and I opted for the individual coaching sessions, which were really helpful. And side by side I also attempted the exams which are available on the PT tutorials website. The trainer gave me valuable feedback on several tasks, be it read aloud or repeat sentence or writing. I was able to get a consistent feedback from my trainer. Her name is Sushma, which was truly very supportive. Without her it would have been very tough for me. And so finally I decided to take the official exam from the PT academic, and fortunately I was able to crack it with a perfect score, almost a perfect score of 87. So overall I would like to say that it would have been tough for me to get my desired score of 79 plus in PT academic without the coaching. I highly recommend coaching from the PT tutorials trainers, and the tips are very valuable. They are easy to understand. uh, I think it will be tough for anyone to get the desired score without the training. So thank you PT tutorials.